What if I told you that with just 3 ingredients, milk, salt, and lemon, you can make something creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious? But what is it? Keep watching to find out. Hey there, welcome back to Good Recipes. If you love quick and easy recipes, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get started. We start with 2 liters of milk, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Now, here's where the magic happens. We add lemon juice, but slowly. Watch as the milk curdles and forms big, soft lumps. That's when we know it's working. Next, we strain out the curds, letting all the liquid drain away. Then we rinse the curds under cold water to cool and clean them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and blend it until smooth and creamy. Can you guess what we've just made? Homemade cream cheese. No preservatives, just pure creamy goodness. Spread it on toast, use it in recipes, or just eat it straight from the spoon when no one is watching. Try this at home and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time.